Get the competitive edge with these suggestions on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to increase your business visibility and to bring in traffic. Commonly, a business can have a partnership with a similar business where they both have a direct link to the other on their website. This can help both business. This video can help you to find the best way that affiliate marketing can work for you. Affiliate marketing requires a lot more than selling great products. It also requires you keeping an up-to-date site to work as your digital shop. Use current web layouts or news on your domain to keep the patrons' attention. If you let your design or products run out of date, you will notice that you can't bring in those same quality customers you could previously. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchase program is that it gives you the information without searching. Being patient is a very important skill that is very useful. Affiliate revenue is known to grow steadily over time. Don't think you are going to make money right from the get-go, or get discouraged when that is not the result. Make sure that you have referral links available so that people can see your writing more often. Use auto-tracking software whenever possible. There is software out there that can download affiliate sales data and adjust the frequency at which an ad is shown in a rotation relative to its profitability. If an ad is consistently performing poorly, the software will alert you so you can dump it and put something potentially more profitable in its place. Be prepared to spend a lot of time on your affiliate marketing business, even after your website is set up and you are making money. The field of affiliate marketing requires dedication and working hours that you may not normally be used to working, such as nights and some weekends. As expressed in the beginning of this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to improve your business visibility and to increase your traffic. It can also help build partnerships between former competitors. By learning more about affiliate marketing and finding a technique that works for you, you can greatly increase your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.